What's going on YouTube? Slick Camaro back with another video. So today is going to be a quick video, real quick video. What I'm going to do today is I'm unboxing my VMAX ported throttle body. So like I told y'all in a couple videos back, I'm going to take y'all through every power mod that I install on my car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it, we're going to talk about it real quick, and then we can go from there. So let's get to the video. Alright, so before we go ahead and do the unboxing video, let's go ahead and pop the hood because I want to show y'all that I am completely stocked. There's nothing under the hood. So let's go ahead and pop the hood right now. .2 liter Camaro, completely stocked. Got the stock cold air intake on there. I don't have nothing. There's no catch can back there. That's the stock throttle body on there. Stock headers in there. You know, same pulleys. Everything is completely stock on the car. So this is the first power mod that I'm going to be putting on the car. So here it is right here. Cover out my personal information. This is the box that it came in right here. United States Postal Service. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing video. Alright, so this box hasn't been opened. This is the first time that I'm opening this box right now. Let's go ahead and get it done. See what we got. Alright, so this is the invoice right here. Alright, so I ordered my throttle body from T Racing. I honestly don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I got it from T Racing online. I ordered the box. And basically this right here is the return form for your stock throttle body. So basically how it works is T Racing wants you to return your stock, your OEM throttle body to them in order to get your core charge amount back. So what I mean by that is they charge you the price for the throttle body, and then they charge you an additional amount, which is $200 for your throttle body as well. So it's kind of like a holding fee. So you have to pay that additional $200 to get the VMAX throttle body out to your home, and then they'll refund you that $200 amount once you send them back your OEM throttle body from your Camaro. So again, let me show you right here. You can see right here under the first line, it says throttle body core. That's the core charge that I just mentioned. It's $200. All right, that $200 amount, you will get that back once you send them your stock throttle body from your car. All right, so that's the return form that we have to use to send my stock throttle body back to them. This is the shipping label that I'm going to use. And let's go ahead and open up the part right now. See how it looks. Go ahead and set the camera down. Alright, so right here you can see they wrote on there VMAX for the LT1. Alright. So here's the throttle body right here. This is the VMAX ported throttle body. Now I can't show you the difference between the this throttle body right here and the one that's on my car right now. But once I do the install video, I can compare the two throttle bodies. So basically, I'm going to install this on the car. You don't gain that much, you know, horsepower from it. It's little to none at all, actually. So with this mod, you get about a 4 horsepower increase and about a 2 torque increase. You know, it's not that much. It's a basic mod. It's a beginner's mod, something to start off with. And you know, I can't wait to share out the videos. It'll be a quick video on the install this along with another mod I'm going to do at the same time. And you know, just something simple to start with. And I think it's a pretty good mod. For y'all who don't know, this is where the stock throttle body is right here. This is a stock throttle body right there. Stock ported throttle body. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick install video. Not today, it'll probably be sometime this week or next week. I'm gonna do the install video for this and another mod up under the hood yet. I'm not gonna tell y'all what that mod is, but yeah. Alright, so thanks for tuning in to this quick unboxing video. Stay tuned for my install video on the VMAX ported throttle body, and like I said, I'm going to install another part along with that as well. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. I got more videos coming y'all way. I got a few more things that I want to get done before Camaro Fest. July 10th through the 14th, I will be out there at Camaro Fest, so I hope to see y'all there. And again, thanks for tuning in to this video. I'll see you next time.